Yes, it's Dinengdeng again, but it's a version that you can cook anytime and anywhere, perhaps even in space for astronauts. Plus, we'll be introducing a discovery recipe, perfect pulutan, bugles with rucola, cornetto con rucola. And the biggest learning, how to troubleshoot a mistake, Dinengdeng. Yes, welcome. Magandang gabi mga kaibigan. Welcome to Channel 1 and welcome back to our small kitchen. We'll be cooking today due to popular demand. We have a guest, si Manay. She's here with us. And she requested for the authentic pinakbet. No, pinakbet. No, not pinakbet. This has become our pinakbet and Dinengdeng headquarters in Holland, really. Friends come, or friends request for pinakbet or dinengdeng, and I invite them. So you too are welcome. Ask for dinengdeng or pinakbet, and you can come to my place. I don't sell my vegetables. Sukatan nyo lang tibagas. Yeah, palitan nyo lang ng bigas. I don't sell my vegetables from the garden. Now, so what I was saying, no, it's not pinakbet. It's this time, si manang Mirna. Here may manay Mirna. Maray na manay Mirna. As for dinengdeng, the authentic dinengdeng. But look what I have, Ampalaya from the garden. We cannot make dinengdeng just of Ampalaya. So we'll be adding some vegetables which we don't grow. I wasn't able to grow. But we are adding vegetables from the freezer. Yes, fresh vegetables, frozen vegetables. Yeah, she's laughing, but they are equally delicious. Our voiceover will now tell us the rest of the ingredients. Voiceover. Consider yourself lucky if you have these vegetables fresh in your area. String beans, saluyot or mulokya. I have them all in frozen form. Grilled or fried fish and bagoong still wrap. Tip. Someone asked me, nagdinengdeng daw siya using frozen vegetables. Nilabas from the freezer, naghiwa-hiwalay daw, nag-disintegrate. Do that. When using frozen vegetables, directly from the freezer to the boiling water. Huwag na ganito. That's why ibabalik ko to. I'm returning this to the freezer and bring them out again, only when I need them. Only at the very moment when I need them.
Anong province ba yung Dinengdeng?
Ilocano. Ilocos.
Oh.
Yeah. From Region 1 to Region 3.
Kasi yung...
Hanggang Tarlac. Tarlac up.
Marami akong kaibigan ng Ilocano eh. Tapos sabihin nila, uy, lalagyan ko. Ano ba tawag doon sa may inihaw na isda, tapos ilalagay sa, yung ba, dinengdeng?
Hindi kailangan inihaw, it can be fried fish.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Pero sila inihaw.
Yeah. Mirna is asking here, because the first exposure to pinakbet or to dinengdeng she has is inihaw daw na isda. So it does not have to be inihaw. Tip, anything, kahit na sardinas or fried fish, good. Kahit pa baboy, you can. Basta mayroong bagoong na isda. Extremely easy, no sauteing needed, just boil water. Ang sahog or the sagpao, there's no English equivalent for that, is ang sagpao o ang sahog at sagpao is meant to give flavor to the soup or to the sauce of the vegetable stew. Kaya ilagay na natin, we have to put it now. It might disintegrate, but as long as we're able to recollect or to retrieve the fins, yung buto-buto, it's okay. Onion is an option, you don't have to add this, but if you want an enhanced flavor, add it. No need to chop. Just rough slices. Yes, it's not boiling, we can put the rest of the ingredients. First, the fresh. Will it even matter? Shall we put first the fresh or the frozen?
Fresh.
All together. This is the saluyot, or the Egyptian spinach shoot in America. It's very popular for chicken dishes in or among the Arabs. Or soup. I'll add the frozen string beans as well. Frozen beans. From Suriname. I'm afraid there's too much water. Let's add the Ampalaya. Kamali. Big mistake. I forgot the bagoong. We have to troubleshoot this. I blame the packaging for forgetting my bagoong. It's newly brought in from my Pangasinan. Kaya balot na balot. Yeah. This is the reason. Yeah. Lessons learned. Huwag baluting masyado, makakalimutan mo. The bagoong should be put first. Once the water boils, it's time to add the bagoong. Since I've forgotten it, I'll just boil it separately and then add it into the stew. I'll draw a portion of the water, which is already in the mixture, and boil it separately. Once this water boils, I'll add the bagoong. And then, once it boils with the bagoong, combine it with the rest of the dish. It's boiling now for more than a minute now. We can combine it with, or we can add it to the rest of the stew. See? Mistake solved. It's about to cook, so we'll add the calabasa blossoms or squash blossoms.
So,
This will be quick. It does not take 1 minute for this to cook, although it's frozen. It's cooked. It's cooked. We'll just have to wait for my Manang Grace, and it's dinner time. Yeah, it's been a ritual. She does the honor of tasting our Dinengdeng. And this is our Dinengdeng, our sole dish for tonight. To fully enjoy it. Hindi namin sasamahan ng Thank you for joining us today, my Manang Grace here and my Manang Myrna. Maray!
hello!
Yeah. So, yeah,
Masarap!
that's why they came here. It's for the
Dinengdeng.
So if you want dinengdeng, magtanim. At you can also do it kung hindi kaya magtanim. Magdinengdeng from frozen vegetables. And if you want to learn how to make series of dinengdeng, explore our playlist on dinengdeng. This has been your host, Romulo here, from Pangasinan, cooking and growing in Holland. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! Bye!
And don't forget our bonus recipe tonight, bugles with rucola, perfect for pulutan. Just fill your bugles with rucola leaves and it's delicious. And then the wine. Something new here on Channel 1. Bigyan kitang plot.
Ano ba yun? Yung sayote?
Ay, may, yeah.
Tsaka ano, tsaka yung...
Again, on behalf of my Manay, Myrna, and Manang Grace here, thank you for joining us here today. And if you enjoyed our dish, don't forget to subscribe and share our recipe to the world. Ibida natin ang pagkain Pinoy. Until next time. Bye-bye. See you on our other videos, upcoming and posted.